GB, right? So let's see the server manager over here. So you need to click over here. Okay, then we need to click on the server manager. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a web server, that is IIS web server, and a web page, so that you can see your web page by just clicking on the public. And this is one of the very interesting topic, and I'm sure once you are done with this, you will get a smile on your face, because this is the things basically we never do in our BTech or MCA or BCA, in the bachelors and the masters. We don't do it in the college basis. So all we need to do is we need to click over here on the add rules and features. Okay, so right now it's collecting the data, so it will take a bit time, or we need to wait for it. Okay, so when you click on that, you will get this before you begin. You don't need to do anything, you don't need to worry about it. Just click on next. So once you click on next, you will get these two options. Keep the options by default, and you need to click on next. Then it will ask you for the server pool. There is only one server that we created, so you don't need to worry about it again. You need to click on the next. Okay, right. So when you reached over this server rules page, right now what we want is we want to create a web server. And so for that, what we need to do is we need to click on this web server IIS, right? As you are a MCA student, I know that you will have a knowledge about this IIS. So once you click on that, you will get to add features. Then you need to click on the next. Then next. By default, things will be remain same. Next, next, and install. Right. So I think it will again take a bit time to install the server. As you can see the background process. Don't worry about these red things. These services can be easily managed. And right now these services are not working, so that's why it's showing in you in the red section. But you don't need to worry about it. We will look forward for it. So till the time, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the channel that I created, so that you can have a better understanding of it. Can you guys see the YouTube channel over here? Can I get the response on the chat? Yes, okay. So this is the channel where I explained few of the things about AWS, that how to create your free tier AWS account, and how to create your EC2 instance and the Windows server, that is right now I'm doing. And then I also showed you the AWS certifications, the reason and the availability zone that I explained you. I have a 10-minute session on it. So I'm going to do these steps on a regular basis. So
So
if you
what
want,
is the name of the channel, sir? It's not
okay, so
displaying
I'll do
full
one
screen.
thing. I'll share the link over here, so you can easily click on the link and subscribe it. So I'm going to explain all these AWS things in the broader way, but the most important things, Appwars technologies are right now going to give you the best things on the training. So this YouTube channel is basically what you will get. If you have any queries, or you can go in the comment section and you can ask the queries. I'll solve it. But due to my hectic schedule, sometimes I'm not able to do that. So what Appwars technologies will do, they will provide you a training, and the training on the specific cost. So if you go for the in the market, then you will need to pay for 40,000, or you need to pay for 20,000. So you don't need to worry about it. You can ask Mr. Sonu Prakash about these things. So if you want a dedicated training for your college or your group of students, you can easily go to Sonu sir. and he's a very nice person to talk with, and he is very helping in nature. I am associated with Sonu sir for last 7 years. He is a big helping hand for me, and he is a very nice person for the students as well. So you can easily go ahead, and for the starting purpose, you can easily go to this YouTube channel and go easily go. Don't take too much stress on your head that, oh my god, these are the big things that we need to learn and everything. So don't worry about those things. Easily go ahead, go for the videos, learn something, create your first of all create your ID so that you can do the lab session and everything. So take it in a easy way, that then you can have a fun factor over there, right? So AWS is a very nice and fun facting thing. So I'll explain you a few of the things about Amazon Web Services Office, so you will love it. So now we are good to go, and here you can see the feature installation is all done, and we can close over here, right? So now what I am going to do is, we are going to, in the file explorer, then we'll go to this PC, then we will go for the local disk C. So whenever you create a web server, double IS web server, you will automatically get this tab over here. You need to click on this tab. Once you click on that tab, you will get the option for www root, right? You need to click on it. Now, the thing is, you need to delete these two things. So let's delete it. Now, what we will do, we will create a new text document, and let's open it. And let's suppose we type over here, we are proud to be SGITN, right? So let's click on file, click on save as. Now the file name will be index.html, right? And the save types, you need to click on all files, and you need to save it. Now close this one. You will get an index page over here. So if we'll go for our session that we created over there, let's give me a moment. What we will do, okay, right, just give me a moment. I want to minimize it. Yes, so we need to close it, and once you copy this IP address, see, this is your web page that you got, and I'm going to send you this IP address, and please check on your web servers, on your web browsers, that it's working or not. Okay, I sent it. Can few of you give me a reply on this, that yes, you can say it?
Yes, sir.
You can see it. And the most important thing, anyone from the globe, your batchmates, your parents, your teachers, they can see these things easily. So what you can do right now, I know many of us are not in the situation to create a full stream website and put that on the server, right? So this is the practical that you can show to your teachers and everything, and they will love to see all these things.